Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today's recipe is chicken patties. I have here about 2 pounds of ground chicken meat, and I have here my spices. There's a pretty simple recipe. Himalayan salt and red chili, crushed chilies, garam masala, zira, cumin powder, and this is coriander powder. I have some garlic, 5 to 6 chilies, cilantro, some mint, and I also have ginger as well, and some breadcrumbs. So what I'm going to do is use a food processor and blend these, make it into small pieces, and then I'll be back. So after chopping it in the food processor, this is what it's going to look like. So we're basically going to add our spices and coriander mint mixture into our meat. I also added about 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna mix all these ingredients together. Now all the spices are mixed, and now we are going to cover and let it sit for at least half an hour. So with this recipe we can make some long seekh kabobs, and I'm going to make round patties as well. So what are you going to do? I have a little bit of oil on my hand. Take a round bowl. You're just going to press it upwards like this. Like that. These kebabs are going to go in the oven on the top rack at 400 degrees on the broiler. So these are round patties on a grill pan. If you don't have a grill pan, you can just use a frying pan. It will work just as good. Absolutely delicious kebabs with no onion and no egg. You can serve it in a bun or make a wrap. Absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.